Hello friends, today we will discuss how to create groups, smart groups, group sets and create from the groups by using the Endnote application. For this purpose, I have already downloaded nearly 404 references from the PubMed. First of all, we'll see how to create groups. In the menu bar, there is a button groups. Press it. You will come up with another option of pressing create group, and as you press it, it gives you an option to create a name, to give a name to your group. For example, I give the group a name PubMed and enter. Now from all references you just pick and sort and enter into your folder. For example, I know that these selected papers are from PubMed, and then I move it to here. Similarly, you can also create another group by just right click the group folder, create group, name it. For example, I name as a Lancet and then press enter. For example, these next few papers are from Lancet, just for example, and I select them and drag them in the Lancet. So you can create as many groups as you want. Endnote also provide an option of creating smart groups. From the group button, press it, then press the option of a create smart group. It will open another window of a smart group. Here you can keep a name of the smart group. For example, I am interested to read papers on women, and from this drop down menu I select option of abstract that contains the text women and create. So all the papers which are having the women word in the text in all the references have been selected and sorted into this smart group. I'm also interested to check the paper of 2020, so I create another smart group with the name year 2020. So from here I select the year that contains 2020 and then create. So I come to know that overall from 6404 only 19 papers are published in 2020. I'm also interested to create another smart group which were published in a journal like PLOS ONE. I name it, and from this menu, top down menu, I select the journal that contain the name PLOS ONE. So I create. So nearly 7 papers have been sorted out. Endnote also provide us to make a group subset. You just right click on the group, and from here create group set. I name this group set as a journal and then press enter. Now all the journals, just select them and drag down. Select +1 and drag to journal. Select PubMed and drag to journal. So in this way you can organize your group under the group and the subgroup headings. There is also an option of sorting your references and your collection on the basis of your study inclusion criteria or your study design, and this is possible by another option which is given in under the menu of groups. It is named create from groups. So I name this as my study inclusion criteria. For example, I'm interested to study all the papers which are about women but not related to specifically those papers which are published in the year 2020. So I create this criteria and then press the button create. So from 2473, 2466 papers were chosen, excluding all the papers which were published in the 2020. So you from this inclusion criteria you can see there is no paper which was published in 2020. So you can use Endnote application according to your need and your study inclusion criteria. That's all for today.